Welcome everybody to Carole's Art Room. I'm going to do some coasters today. I'm going to use silver and gold. And I'm going to use just greens. So I'm going to do a couple. I liked the silver and the gold together in the last one I did, so I thought I would use it in another variation. If I have a cold. Or I'm getting over the flu. I don't know what it is, but I'm almost done. Feeling a little better. All right. So I've got some silver, Mead silver, and some DecoArt silver mixed together. And I've got some 24 karat gold. So I'm going to put, this green is a mixture of like a medium green and a couple of different greens that I mixed together. So I'll put that on the bottom. This is yellowish green by Amsterdam. I'm going to try not to put too much. And I'll put some silver next. See what we get. And I think I'll put the gold next, and then I'll put the green on top. And this one is metallic leaf green by Artist Loft. I think I have to use my mini blower. I don't know if I can blow it today with my breath. I'll try. There's a couple of bubbles. See if I can blow this with my breath. Oh, that's pretty, but I didn't get much on this side. Oh, that's really pretty. Love all that. Get rid of these white bubbles. Oh dear. Okay, I'm going to do some I don't know if I'll have any negative space, but I'll see. Okay. That's very pretty. I love the silver and the gold together. It's like outlined in the gold. So I'll give it one more spin. Okay. I'll do another one. Okay, I'm going to do a second loom with the greens. All right, I'll try this again. As you can see, I scraped one. I got a lot of white coming up from underneath I didn't like, so I want to try again. Slowly paint. blower again. Well, I don't know. Can't seem to get it as nice as the first one I did. Let's see if I can blow this out. Nope. Well, I'll finish it and I'll swirl it and we'll see how it turns out. At least I didn't get as many white underneath paint coming through this time. I held the mini blower back farther so it wasn't so close. Well, the swirls make it look prettier. Okay. Let's give it a spin. Let's see if I can move it that way a bit. Well, this one's not bad. I'll live with this one. I love the way the green or the silver and the gold blend together. I think I might try one with some blues and turquoise. That might look nice. Sorry about that. And there you go. Thanks for watching, and come back to Carole's Art Room. The dry results should be at the end. And all my recipes for my bloom technique are in the description under the video. Have a great day. Hi everyone. Here's the coasters I did. The green, the gold, and the silver, and they turned out really nice. I really like these. color combination. Make some pretty coasters. This one has more gold showing and this one has more silver showing. There you go. Have a great day, everyone, and come back to Carole's Art Room. See you in the next one.